copying over pages to another document. So say this journal it has everything for the year. You only want to take day one and take it day by day. So that's all you need to assign to students. So I'm going to go ahead and do that by starting with this pretty much a chapter and taking slides 5 through 9 onto its own document. So to do that, I'm holding down the shift key on my keyboard, and then I'm just going to select these 5 slides, and I'm going to right click on my trackpad here to go to copy. All right, now I'm going to open up a new pages document, and it is going to be a book. So if I go to a blank book, I can create that blank book. And any one of these thumbnails I can right click on and hit paste. So it should paste just those 5 slides. I'm going to go ahead and right click and delete these ones. Of course, we don't need them. And then I have this nice, smaller, simplified journal for students. I can even take away slides if I need. So maybe we practice this in class and the students don't need it at home. I can delete it. You're welcome to keep it, so maybe parents can have a place to look at and learn how to do this with their students as well. So any of this is editable, and you can change it if you need to. But now it's nicely simplified, and you can label it maybe ALD, All Learner Day, Day 1 Journal, and now it's ready to be either airdropped or put into a Canvas page for students to receive. Thank you.